going on, everybody? It's Artez with Tag Pressure Wash. I'm checking in with you. I'm on site. Got a project today. I'm gonna take you a little bit behind the scenes, but this is why I enjoy what I do. When you see driveways that look like this, sidewalks that look like this, yes, this is concrete, not asphalt or blacktop. Look at this walkway, y'all. We're gonna go in the back. Just roll with me, roll with me. I know the sun is out. It's in the morning. I'm trying to beat this heat. So we're gonna step in the back and show y'all all these pavers. Yup. So we're gonna get all of this nice and clean. I literally just made a video. Y'all remember the last video I made, I was saying how I went a month without a paid job, and that same day I had somebody reach out to follow up on a quote, and here I am 2 days later. That's how God work. He be looking out for you, boy. So I'm about to take y'all behind the scenes with me, get this all cleaned up. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later. Now I'm just getting all my equipment set up, ready to roll, getting all my hose unraveled and getting that hooked up to the water source. Man, I say I came a long way with my trailer. Still have a long way to go, but you know what I mean? Continue to build slowly but surely, make more money, put it back into the business, you know. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, is making sure my pressure washing hose is lined up correctly so it won't get tangled up. And again, man, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning trying to beat this heat. Now I'm about to move up to the pavers in the back. Now I'm just pre-treating it. I've had my share of like bricks that look like this, even worse in the past, so just pre-treating it. Now here I am just starting on the driveway. Man, this driveway, y'all, like look at it. It's almost black. I remember when the realtor, actually a realtor that I met at the expo I was at about a month ago, she connected me with one of her clients. And so when they sent the pictures over to the property, I had to like look at it again and like, man, is that an asphalt driveway? But it was so dirty, y'all. And the transformation is going to be crazy. Like I was literally excited. But man, I'm struggling, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like this first part, you're gonna hear me talk a little bit more about what I learned from my mistakes. So now I had to go get my X-Jet and pre-treat the concrete because it was so dirty. It was so hard just to clean my surface cleaner. I don't know why I didn't bring out the X-Jet in the first place to pre-treat this concrete, because it was really bad. Sometimes you laugh at yourself because, you know, in your mind you're trying to like be more efficient with time, but really I was just cutting the corner. I mean, I ain't even put nothing down with the pump up sprayer. I'm like, let me go ahead and surface clean and I just do a hot post treatment. Nah. So I knew that. Lesson learned. I want to do that again, but I'm about to let this dwell for a little bit and knock out those steps over there. Like I said, while I let that sit and dwell, because it was so dirty, I'm over here on these steps, getting it in. Man, again, I was so grateful, y'all. Like I haven't had a job for a whole month up until this point. So, and it was one of them jobs, like it was just gonna make some great before and after pictures. And the client definitely was satisfied. And he was blown away when I sent them the pictures. But yeah, I'm just going in on these steps, making sure getting all the organic growth out so they can shine. Stay for those before and after pictures, y'all. Like I'm telling you, even the steps, it was a crazy transformation. All right, so I made my way back to the driveway after that. Sodium hypochlorite, aka the super strong bleach, was sitting, and it was just helping me surface clean a lot faster. I didn't get a lot of footage. My tripod actually broke. I'm just like, man. So didn't get a lot of footage surface cleaning, but here I am rinsing down, making sure everything is good. As you can see, it's just a night and day difference, y'all. Like, it's so clear. All right, I'm checking back in, y'all. I'm done. Took longer than I expected, but it's all good. Here's the results. Sidewalk, you can already tell the difference to the property line. Then look at this driveway, y'all. Driveway all completely clean. Then you come to the walkway. Then the stairs. And then I'm gonna post a video of that back patio pavers. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Oh, by the way, my tripod broke, so I can really show you footage of, you know, the actual cleaning process. But I dropped a couple clips, as you saw already. Hey, any questions you got, any advice, any encouraging words, drop them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. It's more than a number for me at this point. I've been doing this for a year, and I'm excited, man, and meeting random people, strangers who've been a part of this journey. So yeah, y'all, hopefully y'all enjoy the content. Y'all enjoyed the transformation. Till next time, take care.